Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to convert JPEG or PNG to PDF using an online tool. For this tutorial, we will use smallpdf.com/jpg to PDF, one of the most popular and user-friendly online tools. And here's how it is done. Open smallpdf's JPG to PDF tool. Go to your browser and type smallpdf.com. Then hit enter. This will take you to the JPEG to PDF conversion page. Upload your JPEG or PNG images. On the small PDF page, click the big purple button that says Choose Files. A file explorer window will open. Navigate to the folder where your JPEG or PNG images are stored and select the images you want to convert. Arrange and customize optional. After uploading, you will see a preview of your images. Arrange the images in the desired order by dragging them. Convert your images to PDF. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement and settings, click the Finish button. The tool will process your images and generate a PDF file. Download your PDF. After the conversion is complete, click the Download button to save your PDF to your device. You can also save the file to cloud storage platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox, depending on the options provided. And there you have it. Your JPEG or PNG images have been successfully converted to a PDF file. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.